What's the meaning of Acme? Acme. 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 The term acme refers to the highest point, the pinnacle of something. It is commonly used to describe the peak of achievement in a particular field or endeavor. The word originates from the Greek word acme, meaning zenith or summit. To reach the acme of something implies that one has achieved the highest level of success or excellence in that area. It is a term often used to describe a company's or individual's ultimate goal or aspiration. In short, acme is the epitome of excellence, the highest point of achievement in any field or venture.